Naghahanap ka ba ng perfect home para sa pamilya mo? If you're looking for an affordable home here in Cavite, today's video is for you. Walk with me habang iikot tayo sa ilan sa mga projects na pwedeng-pwede sa budget mo. First up, Leora Homes Naik. Ito ang bahay na may solar power system, 2 water tanks, at N6 screen.
Wow!
Free na yun upon turnover. Ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito, eco-friendly na, kompleto pa ang features. Gated community, may amenities at flood-free. Next, andito tayo ngayon sa Pagsibol Village Premier. Kung naghahanap ka ng bahay na walang down payment, walang equity, at may semi-complete finish upon turnover, eto na yon. May tiles na, may ceiling pa. Lipat agad next year. Legit! Ito naman, ang Northdale Estates. Kung gusto mo ng bahay na walking distance sa highway, madaling mag-commute. Perfect sa nagtatrabaho sa Manila or PITX area. Low monthly, 2-story townhouse din, presyong abot kaya. Dito sa Pacific Town Naik, ang pinaka-eye-catching, may gate at fence ka na upon turnover. May parking space at secured ang community. For only 5,000 reservation fee, pwede ka nang magsimula. And last for today, Kaya Homes Naik. If you're just starting out na naghahanap ng pinaka-affordable, the Helena is perfect for you. 2-story townhouse, low monthly through Pag-ibig, and syempre, trusted developer din. Lahat ng bahay na pinapakita ko today are actual options na pwede mong simulan kahit maliit lang ang budget mo. Kung may nakita kang gustong i-view, message us now and we'll help you every step of the way. Once again, I am JC Rayat. Thank you for watching.